Major Peta in Pre-Calculus. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, we need to know the things to do. 1. Get the height of your house. Number 2. Make an illustration of your house. Number 3. Make an own design of your house. And number 4. Make a documentary of it. Here is the situation. You're a professional from a construction firm who wants to construct a building with the same height of your own house. So to do that, you will measure the height of your house in inches. In this illustration, you can see me and the house with a distance of 314 inches. You can see from my angle of elevation, which is 60 degree, and in my angle of depression is 30 degree. And now, we will get the height of the house so that we will represent the angle of elevation with the variable y sub 1 and the angle of depression y sub 2. So, to get the value of the height of the house, we need to add the y sub 1 and the y sub 2. And as you can see in this illustration, I have two right angles with each the angle of elevation and the angle of depression. With those given, we can now determine what trigonometric function we will use. And in this situation, we will use the tangent trigonometric function. Tangent is equals to y over x. In this case, y will be represented by h and x will be represented by d. H means height and D means distance. So, since there are two right triangles, so that we will use two equations. So, after we find the height of the two triangles or two right triangles, we will now add them up to get the height of the house. So, the first right triangle will represent the y sub 1 and the second right triangle will represent y sub 2. So, by that, we can make a mathematical model which h is equals to y sub 1 plus y sub 2. So now, this is the computation in getting the height of the house. First, we will solve for the y sub 1, which is the first right angle. So, we have the given of angle of elevation, which is 60 degrees, and the height is y sub 1, and the distance is 314 inches. And now, we know that the formula of tan is equals to y over x. We will just substitute it by y1 is over 314. So, tan 60 degree is equals to y sub 1 over 314. So, for us to cancel the denominator 314, we will multiply both sides by 314. So, we will have 314 times tan 60 degrees is equals to y sub 1. So, 314 times 1.7320508076 is equals to y sub 1. And if we multiply 314 times 1.7320508076, the answer will be 543.86395358. So, the height of the y sub 1 is equals to 543.86395358. And now, we will solve for the value of y sub 2. So, we all know that the value of tangent is equals to y over x. So, we will just substitute it. So, it will be tangent 30 degree is equals to y sub 2 over 314. So, to cancel the denominator 314, we will multiply both sides by 314 so that we will have 314 times tangent 30 degree is equals to y sub 2. So that we will find the value of tangent 30 degree and we will have 314 times 0.5773502692. So, the value of y sub 2 is equals to 181.28798453. So now, we can add them up to find the value of the height of the house. So, height is equals to 543.86395358 plus 181.28798453 is equals to 725.15193.8y1. So therefore, height is equals to 725.15193.811. So now, we can make a structure with the same value of height with our house. Thank you.